So we're looking at the grammatical realization, what the author says, or what the author thinks or feels. So we talk about verbs or processes, telling verbs, state, say, report, etc. Mental verbs, think, feel, I think they believe, reckon, assume, and stress, all those ones that we can see that are what we would call the telling verbs. And then nominalizations, which means we turn a lot of those verbs above there, the telling verbs, into nouns, like a statement, a saying, a report, a claim, announcement, an argument. And then we can, if we look at the mental verbs, feel becomes feeling, think becomes thought, belief, assumptions, opinion. And then there are other ones that we would put in within our whatever we were writing. We often use according to Jones, and then, or in Jones's view, and then we would obviously record or write about their views, but then we would be evaluating them. So, in fact, when we're saying we're including a source, we're saying it's relevant, but the relevance might be there not only to support an argument, but also to reject or go beyond previous research and to look at the shortcomings of previous research. That would be one of the things.